Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 2X. This is a studio apartment located on the second floor of the building, which is actually the ground floor you walk in on. Let's go on inside. Inside your galley kitchen, you'll have your microwave, your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, and your refrigerator. On into your living room, you'll have a bookshelf, a desk and a desk chair, a dresser, and a full-size bed. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings, and this tall bank of windows lets in lots of natural light in this south-facing apartment. Every unit has air conditioning and a heating element, and plenty of closet space. Another unique feature of this building is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing in the bathroom, all of the bathrooms in Cityview are nice, large, and open. The vanity, medicine cabinet, and a full shower and tub combo. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 2X. Call us today for availability.